This is the Claudia Hair Brush, designed for easy detangling on both wet and dry hair. When detangling, always start at the bottom and gently work your way up. This helps prevent breakage. Claudia's plastic pins on a flexible cushion give a gentle scalp massage that stimulates circulation. To massage, place the brush pins on the scalp and move them in small, circular motions. For ideal product distribution, start with the Fade fine-tooth comb to apply mousse at the roots. Scoop, apply, and comb through evenly. The wooden teeth glide through the hair without pulling or snagging. The fine teeth ensure every strand is put evenly, creating a smooth, balanced foundation before styling. Next, add your heat protectant from mid-shaft to ends. Once applied, use the Claudia brush from the bottom up to evenly distribute product throughout the hair, creating a perfect foundation before blow-drying. Claudia is the perfect tool for pre-drying or light blow-drying your hair. Use your Claudia brush to perform the flat brush technique and create a smooth, polished finish. This method uses Claudia to guide the hair while blow-drying, helping to straighten and control frizz without removing natural movement. By keeping the brush flat against the head and following it closely with the dryer nozzle pointed downward, the cuticle stays sealed, leaving the hair sleek, soft, and shiny. Repeat a few times until the hair is completely dry. Once blow-dried, you can style further with a curling iron. After curling, let the hair cool down and then use the Gio Wooden Comb to gently break up the curls into soft, natural waves. Always work from the bottom up to avoid breakage and unnecessary pulling. Gio's wide teeth glide gently through the hair, smoothing and refining without disturbing the shape. The natural wood helps evenly distribute your scalp's oils from roots to ends, enhancing shine and keeping the hair balanced. For convenience, Claudia also comes in a travel size version, the ideal brush to keep in your bag for quick touch-ups wherever you go. To extend the life of your brush, clean it after each use.